Good day, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Dutty News, where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Well, let's get into our top stories. And first up, dancehall artist Vybz Kartel issues public statement. Entertainers are among the least educated in society. Most of we don't like that, and therefore are among the least qualified people on earth to give medical advice for anything or against anything.
Funny.
Now, keeping it moving, Uncle Kartel Buju Banton takes jab at Kartel.
I see them bow out. So them a sell everything, even them very soul. Me no come for sell nothing.
Buju's passion is indeed admirable. No, his stance on the whole COVID thing should not be a shocker, because he has always maintained that
I wanna rule my destiny.
And it is quite clear and quite evident that him being in control of his destiny has always resulted in positive outcomes. Now, children were seen on video singing along to a very popular song by dancehall artist Keng. And the single is called Gunman Shift.
Good morning. Generations of vipers, good morning.
In other incarcerated news, prisoners keep pandemic party. Well, in the name of Floyd Green, you can't really be too mad at them. At least they had the will to do it at their home. Now, continuing with the weirdo flexes, biker tries to cross it.
Nobody can cross it. Only who can understand it. Cross it.
Now let's turn our attention to this emerging story. Prime Minister Andrew Holness issues pensioner with a $68,000 check. Hold up. I am actually being corrected. It is actually 6,800. No, man. Now, clapbackifications are at an all-time high after Anne-Marie Vaz issued an onslaught of shade at a recent sitting at the House of Representatives.
Madam Speaker, 2 years ago, many men doubted that I would ever set foot in this house as an MP. Yet here I stand today, and like a relic of the past, I would ask, where are they now?
You're sling back like a cheerleader.
Did that read out for our paper, you know? Continuing with the overcast news, it's being reported that Emily Shields delivered this lethal blow. Now, a caller said, "Miss Shields, don't insult my intelligence." After which Emily Shields responded, "Well, display it." Ooh. Will Smith says that marriage should not feel like a prison. Yeah, but it not feel like vaccine blitz up a national arena neither. Now, moving it right along, YouTuber Jada Wader fined $1.6 million on gun charges. No, due to would have to keep fish fry and cake sale. Now, on a more serious note, a woman was seen zigzagging from a car during a recent dispute with her common-law husband. And you know, so as bad as the video they look, that could have just be how them foreplay. Baby mother and baby father love different. Cause between me and you, and this way I see.
You want fight?
What you say to them, this is what they might hear.
That shit. If I'm on your picking them, I want you to come back on me, man.
A $40,000 me give you what dear. You mean to tell me say it done already? Whew, well, I guess I need to cool down. More Dutty News after this break. The time by Dutty News is whatever time you sip on your clock, you watch on your phone. Now, welcome back to Dutty News. Now, popular social media personality Legitimate does remix to Japanese dancehall song.
Konnichiwa kite kudasai sumimasen. Say na fi understand me, but your back fi ya bend. You taking out a 10, me na fi ya pretend. So take your go.
You know what? I think this is proof that Lidge is actually not Jamaican. He has to be Japanese. Because of them alone, we can still learn a new skill just like that and be competent at it. Now let's head on over to this viral story. Gender reveal party goes wrong. This, you have one job. How you make the balloon fly out of your hand? Hold on.
It was a part of his plan to release the balloon. It was a prank. There was nothing in the balloon. He had the gender reveal on his shirt the entire time.
So it means for tell me someone just laugh after the man and get vexed for no reason. Now let's shift things along. Elaine Thompson, Hira, and Sharika Jackson get dirty. See him so you're dirty way out of MVP life. Now speaking of dirty, let's check out the latest Peter ad. Oh, in more steamy news, man secures the bag.
Oh, that's so cute.
Is that a boy? That's two men?
No, it's a lady, girl.
I'm a girl. I like that. No, I like you. You a great. Ew.
Now in other Hill and Gully-esque news, woman gets busy to Nicki Minaj.
I put on my jewelry just to suck my nigga off. Fingers on his balls like I'm about to tell him cough.
I'm sure those moves got some balls swelling. Now rolling right along, Rolling Ray heads to divorce court.
Because I'm not Mr. Ray. Mr. Ray can give you an opinion, but I give verdicts in this courtroom.
Let's say
And now viewers, let's make way for a new segment, Animal Stories. Animal Stories! A horse was fired today after violating its supervisor.
Y'all, my tour guide riding the horse. Yeah. Uh-oh, he done ate your damn shirt. Oh, hell. He eating it.
Oh no, that definitely needs to be a matter for HR. Horse resources. Oh no, that was really bad. Yeah. Political figure Damian Crawford tends to someone's future meal.
Many months later.
I never had a curry like you before.
Now, in other news, a Florida man went to extraordinary lengths to capture this alligator that ventured onto his property. Yes, I'll me they know, you know, say me and my father just turn up there look on each other like. Too much! And now to our final story. Ciara shows her wild side. Now, before I can wrap up this program, I have to issue this public apology as instructed by the Broadcast Commission of Jamaica. Now, on just a while ago, the day of 2021, a clip was aired that featured me grinding on the national airways. This will not happen again at Dutty News, and we apologize to the public that saw such explicit material. Them people, I can't, but sick and tired of them, because I want to know them show worse thing on TV, and I look at thing with me just a dance, I don't know why them are going so. Well, that is it, viewers, for Dutty News, where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Do take care. Until next time, Dutty News.